Hello, I'm Dr. Charles Severance, also known as Dr. Chuck. I'm a professor at the University of Michigan School of Information, and it's my pleasure to welcome you to C Programming for Everybody on the CodeKidz platform. This course is dedicated to learning the classic C programming language from the 1978 book by Brian W. Kernighan and Dennis M. Ritchie. This book highlights the shift from hardware-focused computer science to writing portable and efficient software. C was used to develop operating systems like Unix, Minix, and Linux, and programming languages like Perl, Python, Java, and JavaScript. Before you start this course, you do need to have a basic understanding of Python. The first lesson in this course is Introduction to C by leveraging your understanding of Python. A suggested prerequisite is Python for Everybody, which you can also find on CodeKidz. Understanding the differences between Python and C will also be beneficial. While Python is known for its simplicity and readability, C provides more control over system resources and memory management. Whether you're a beginner or looking to solidify your programming skills, C Programming for Everybody offers a comprehensive and accessible pathway into coding. The course focuses on problem solving with plenty of programming exercises and quizzes. With the AI instructor based on my teaching and my materials, you can get help and motivation anytime and anywhere. I am delighted to be part of your learning journey, and I look forward to seeing the remarkable ways you apply these skills. Welcome to the course.